Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. In the last class, we have studied trigonometric functions in terms of ratios and some fundamental relation between trigonometric ratios. And today, we are going to solve some basic problems based on fundamental ratios and as well as the relation between them. Now let us consider first example here. Show that sine theta plus cos theta whole square plus sine theta minus cos theta whole square, which is equals to 2. The question is given here. We have to solve this one by using trigonometric ratios. Let us consider first LHS that is nothing but sine theta plus cos theta whole square plus sine theta minus cos theta whole square. Now this is in the form of what? A plus b whole square, and the second one is a minus b whole square. This term is what? Here this term is in the form of it is a, it is b, a plus b whole square, and here also it is a, it is b, a minus b whole square, right? A square plus b square plus 2ab, here a means sin theta, b means cos theta, right? Plus as it is here also a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 2 sin theta cos theta, right? Now minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta get cancelled here, remaining sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta remaining as it is. Sin square theta becomes 2 sin square theta, cos square theta, and cos square theta becomes 2 times of cos square theta. Now taking common here, 2 outside, inside what we get? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. The value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is what? 1. Therefore 2 into 1 is 2. Therefore our RHS is here 2. Right? Got it? Here which formula we used? A plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, right? And again finally sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to what? 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to what? 1. By using these formulas we got our RHS is 2, right? The next problem, tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta, which is equals to sec to the power 4 theta minus sec to the power 2 theta. We have to show that this one LHS equals to RHS. Again here also let us consider LHS tan square theta plus tan to the power of 4 theta. Now here tan is a common both side, therefore we have to take tan square theta outside. Inside what we get? Already tan square theta is came outside in the first term, only 1 remains inside, plus tan square outside means 2 outside, 2 inside, that is tan square theta. Tan square into 1 plus tan square theta. Now tan square theta can be written as sec square theta minus 1, and 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta. These are the standard fundamental relations. Already we have studied this in the previous class. Tan square theta can be written as sec square theta minus 1, and 1 plus tan square theta can be written as sec square theta. Remember these formulas, or you can say trigonometric identities, we can say this one. Now just multiply inside sec square theta, it becomes sec to the power of 4 theta. Again sec square theta into 1 is sec square theta. Therefore which is nothing but your RHS. Got it? Here which formula we used? Tan square theta is nothing but sec square theta minus 1 and 1 plus tan square theta formula is sec square theta. Remember these formulas. Next, show that cosec to the power 4 theta minus cosec square theta, which is equals to cot square theta plus cot to the power of 4 theta. Again, here also we have to show LHS equals to RHS. Again, let us consider first LHS, that is cos to the power of 4 cosec to the power of 4 theta minus cosec square theta. Here also cosec is there in the first and second term. Let us take cosec square theta outside here common. Remaining what we get inside the bracket in the first term cosec square theta minus 1. Now again here also cosec square theta can be written as 1 plus cot square theta, and cosec square theta minus 1 can be written as cot square theta. Now just multiply cot square theta inside this bracket. Cot square theta one's a cot square theta into cot square theta, cot to the power of 4 theta. Therefore LHS equals to what? Your RHS. Got it? The next problem here also, show that tan theta plus cot theta, which is equals to sec theta into cosec theta. Again consider LHS here, tan theta plus cos theta, cot theta. Now ratios can be written as tan can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Again cot can be written as cos theta by tan theta. Now take LCM here, so cos theta into sin theta we get here. Now cross multiply what we get here, sin into sin, sin square theta and cos square theta. Therefore sin square theta plus cos square theta value is what? 1. Denominator cos theta into sin theta as it is. Now take denominator separately here. 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. That is 1 by cos can be written as reciprocal of cos theta is nothing but already we studied in the previous class. 1 by cos can be written as sec theta. 1 by sin can be written as cosec theta. Therefore our LHS is equals to what? RHS. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Got it? Next we move to the next problem. In this problem again, show that under root of 1 minus sin a upon 1 plus sin a, which is equals to sec a minus tan a, right? Again here also let us consider LHS and take its conjugates, you can say. 1 minus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a is there, its conjugate we can say 1 minus multiply and dividing by 1 minus sin a inside the root. It is conjugates 1 minus sin a and 1 minus sin a. Now in the numerator it becomes 1 minus sin a, 1 minus sin a, 2 times means 1 minus sin a whole square. In the denominator it is 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a. It is in the form of a plus b. Already you know basic identities. A minus b form it is. Then we can write it as a square minus b square, which is equals to what? A square minus b square it is. Similarly here also 1 plus sin a, 1 minus sin a can be written as 1 square means it is 1 minus sin square a. Again in the next step, which is equals to numerator 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin a whole square as it is. The denominator 1 minus sin square a can be written as cos square, that is 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta. Now take the term outside from the root. Already square are there inside. If it comes outside means we get a single term here, 1 minus sin a divided by cos a. Root के बाहर आ गए अभी values, right? Now 1 minus sin a by cos a is there. Now take denominator separately here, 1 by cos a minus sin a by cos a. 1 by cos a can be written as sec a minus as it is sin by cos can be written as tan here. Therefore LHS equals to what? RHS. Got it? Here the formula is a plus b, a minus b equals to a square minus b square, one formula, and 1 minus sin square a can be written as cos square a. Got it? These two formulas we have used here. If you want, we can write down. Next example, show that under root of sec square a plus cosec square a, which is equals to tan a plus cot a. Now again consider LHS here, under root of sec square a plus cosec square a. Therefore under root of sec square a can be written as 1 plus tan square a, and cosec square a can be written as 1 plus cot square a. Now 1 plus tan square a plus 1 plus cot square a is there. Tan square a plus cot square a write down as it is. 1 plus 1 becomes its 2, right? Then the next step, tan square a plus cot square a as it is plus 2 tan a into cot a we are multiplying here, because tan a is a reciprocal of cot a. If we take, let us see here, tan square a plus cot square a plus 2 is there in the previous step here, right? This much is there. Here we are multiplying tan a into cot a. Tan a into cot a is nothing but tan a into cot a. Now tan a is reciprocal of what? Cot a can be written as 1 by tan a, therefore tan a get cancels. Both are reciprocal to each other here, tan a and cot a. Tan a keep as it is, cot a can be written as 1 by tan. Again tan get cancel. What we get here? 2 only here. Therefore we are just substituting the functions tan a into cot a, because both are reciprocal. We are just adding two terms here, tan a into cot a, to convert it in the standard identity, right? Again it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, again which can be written as a plus b whole square, right? Now square root get cancelled here. What we get? Tan a plus cot a. Therefore that is nothing but your RHS. Got it? Next example is, again show that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1, which is equals to sec theta plus tan theta. Got it? Let us consider here again LHS, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 is there in the numerator. Tan theta plus sec theta write down as it is, minus 1 can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta. 1 equals to, already we know, sec square theta minus tan square theta, which is equals to 1. And in the denominator, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 as it is. Now tan theta plus sec theta as it is in the numerator, minus it is in the form of a square minus b square. Already we know a square minus b square formula, that is nothing but a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, it is right. Similarly here also sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta, denominator as it is. Now here sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta, two term common there in the two term. Therefore take sec theta plus tan theta outside. Inside what we get? 1 minus, already sec theta minus tan theta is there. Sec theta minus minus plus tan theta. Got it? Denominator as it is. Now here 1 minus sec theta tan theta get cancelled. 1 minus sec theta tan theta get cancelled. Remaining sec theta plus tan theta, which is nothing but our RHS. Got it? Next example, we move to the next one. Show that 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square, which is equals to 2 times of 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus cos theta. We know that already a plus b plus c whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Already the example of LHS is in the same form, a plus b plus c whole square, right? Now let us consider a square, 1 square means 1, b square means sine square, c square means cos square, 2ab means 2, 1 into sine theta is 2 sine theta, 2bc, that is 2 sine theta into cos theta, 2ca, 2 cos theta into 1 is 2 cos theta. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is equals to what? 1, right? Already 1 is there. This term is also equals to what? It is also 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 is 2. Again remaining write down as it is 2 sine theta, 2 cos theta, 2 sine theta into cos theta. Now here in the first two terms, take 2 is a common, 2 outside means 1 remains in the first term, plus 2 outside means inside what we get? Sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. Again similarly in the second and third term, 2 cos theta is the common here. In the first term 2 cos theta outside means 1 remains. In the second term only sine theta, that is 1 plus sine theta. Now 2 as it is, 1 plus sine theta, 2 into 1 plus sine theta is common from these two terms, right? 2 into 1 plus sine theta take common. In the first term what we get here? 2 into 1 plus sine theta outside means only 1 remains, and in the second term 2 into 1 plus cos theta outside means only cos theta remains. Therefore 2 times of 1 plus cos sine theta into 1 plus cos theta is the required answer. That is nothing but your RHS. Got it? Yes, here in the next example, eliminate theta from the equation x equals to a sec theta, y equals to b tan theta. Again let us consider here x equals to a sec theta, a take on LHS, it becomes x by a equals to sec theta. Similarly y equals to b tan theta, and again take b to the LHS, what we get? Y by b equals to tan theta. Now take x by a square minus y by b whole square, which is equals to x by a means, yes, x by a means sec theta, that is sec square theta whole square means minus as it is y by b is nothing but tan theta, that is y by b whole square means tan square theta, which implies x square by a square minus y square by b square, which is equals to 1, that is sec square theta minus tan square theta value is what? 1 only. Therefore we eliminated successfully the angle theta from the equation x equals to a sec theta and y equals to b tan theta with this form, that is x square by a square minus y square by b square, which is equals to 1. Similarly, one more example is there to eliminate theta from the equation, that is nothing but x equals to a cos cube theta, comma y equals to a sin cube theta. Here x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3, which is equals to, already we have x equals to a cos cube theta to the power 2 by 3 as it is, plus a sin cube theta, that is y value 2 to the power 2 by 3 as it is. Now take power separately, a to the power 2 by 3 cos cube to the power 2 by 3 means here 3 get cancelled, only cos square theta remains. Similarly here also a to the power of 2 by 3 and sin cube theta to the power 2 by 3 means here also 3 get cancelled, only square remains, that is sin square theta. Now a to the power 2 by 3 is common here also in this term, therefore a to the power of 2 by 3 take outside, inside we get cos square theta plus sin square theta, therefore which is equals to 1 a to the power of 2 by 3 as it is, cos square theta plus sin square theta value is 1. Therefore, a to the power of 2 by 3. Therefore, x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3, which is equals to a to the power of 2 by 3. Next, we move to last examples of this lecture, that is x equals to, if x equals to a cos square theta plus into sin theta and y equals to a sin square theta into cos theta, then prove that x square plus y square whole cube equals to a square into x square into y square. Let us consider here also x square plus y square, that is this one, x square plus y square. Already we have x value and y value, right? X square means a square cos to the power of 4 theta into sin square theta, because x is a cos square theta sin theta. Its square means a becomes a square, cos square is 2 is there already, it becomes power 4, sin theta is 1, it becomes 2, that is sin square theta. Similarly, x square means y square as it is, that is y square means again here a square plus sin to the power of 4 theta into cos square theta, right? Now, a square cos square theta sin square theta take common here. A square cos square theta sin square theta take common. From first term, what we get inside, only cos square theta remains here plus sin square theta remains. Now, a square cos square theta sin square theta as it is, cos square theta plus sin square theta value is equals to what? 1 only. Therefore, x square plus y square, its cube, can be written as a to the power of 6, now multiply 2 3s are what? 6 cos power 6 theta sin to the power of 6 theta, right? Now, take separately here, divide the terms in terms of a square into x square plus y square. Now, a to the power of 6 can be divided into, here a square is there outside and here a is there, whole square is there, a square a to the power of 4. Again here one more a is there, its square means a square a to the power of 6 over, right? Next, cos to the power of 6 is there, 2 cos square theta is there here, its power means cos to the power of 4 theta. Here cos theta means its square means cos square theta. These 4 terms, these 2 terms, it becomes cos to the power of 6 theta, right? Next, here sin theta is there, its square means sin square, it means it's 2. Here sin square theta, its whole square means it's 4. 2 4 is 6 again, therefore sin to the power of 6 theta is also there. Therefore, we can write a square as it is here, a square as it is. Now, a cos square theta sin theta whole square is nothing but x square, because we have taken in terms of x and y. Already we have value of x is a cos square theta into sin theta. Similarly, here we have taken a cos square theta into sin theta, and for y a sin square theta into cos theta. Got it? Therefore, finally a square into this term is x square, this term is y square. Therefore, a square into x square into y square. Next, last example. Show that 1 plus tan a minus sec a into 1 plus cot a plus cosec a, which is equals to 2. Now, let us consider LHS here. Now, 1 plus tan a can be written as sin by cos, minus sec a can be written as 1 by cos, and 1 plus as it is cot can be written as cos by sin, cosec can be written as 1 by sin, right? Next, take cross multiplier LHS. What we get here after cross multiplying, we get cos a plus sin a minus 1 upon cos a into, here also same, take LHS and cross multiply, sin a plus cos a plus 1 divided by sin a. Now, here in the numerator, cos a sin a cos a is there, which is nothing but a minus b. This is in the form of, this whole term is what? This whole term is a minus b, a plus b. A minus b, a plus b can be written as a square minus b square. A square means sin a plus cos a whole square, b square means 1 square, it is 1 only. Got it? Now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 1 as it is. Therefore, sin square a plus cos square a, which is equals to what? 1 as it is, plus 2 sin a into cos a as it is, minus 1 as it is. Now plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, remaining 2 sin a into cos a divided by cos a into sin a. Here sin a cos a get cancelled, only 2 remains. Therefore LHS equals to what? Or RHS. With this we conclude today's lecture. The next lecture will some more examples and some other definitions and formula solutions in the next lecture series. Till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.